Hey everyone, Harris here with iDownload Blog. This is the Logitech Slim Combo case for the iPad Pro 10.5. Retails for around $115 and comes in black and blue. It boasts a lightweight design, we'll see about that, a 50-degree tilt range, and power through the iPad Smart Connector, meaning no Bluetooth or charging required. And in fact, an hour of typing takes 0.3% of your iPad's battery. That's pretty cool. Inside is presented the detachable keyboard unit, followed by a clamshell rear piece that attaches to the iPad itself. Installing the case is as simple as shaking it around a little bit, and attaching the keyboard is as simple as installing a smart cover would be. That's really nice. Now, unlike some of Logitech's other keyboards, this does feature a built-in kickstand, which we said has a 50-degree range. That's actually pretty nice. Of course, you can use it in landscape, but you can also use it in vertical mode for FaceTime calls, and you can use this with or without the keyboard. And the keyboard itself is very nice. It's backlit, 3 levels of backlighting, good key travel, 1.5mm travel, spacious, and icing on the cake, a great function row up top, very valuable. For purposes of typing, I can go long periods of time on Logitech's iPad keyboards without issues. But the case itself isn't super appealing. Hard plastic on top, a hard fabric on the bottom. It's not going to win any design awards, at least not in my opinion, nor any portability awards. It comes in an over an inch thick and over a pound. Bulk plus a lackluster design makes it a rather dull device for looking at and holding, but the trade-off here really is productivity. The adjustable stand, the removable keyboard, the great typing experience, and the Apple Pencil holder really does make this a workhorse accessory for the iPad. You have to pay for it, certainly, it's not cheap, and you have to live with the bulk and lackluster design, but the trade-off is taking your iPad certainly to the next level functionally. It's a great keyboard if you're looking for an awesome typing experience, and really this is probably best if you also have an Apple Pencil to go with it to take advantage of the functionality. When you take off the keyboard, which is easy to do, which is a big plus, it's still kind of a bulky case, but it's a lot better to be able to use it just with the kickstand for FaceTime calls in vertical or horizontal mode, and that's very nice. So if you're looking for a powerhouse of an accessory of a keyboard case for your iPad Pro 10.5, the smart connector is really nice to not have to mess with Bluetooth. The typing experience itself is very good. It has an Apple Pencil holder and it will protect your iPad. All of this plus a nice kickstand which can be adjusted and used without the keyboard makes it a pretty well-rounded device, but it is going to be a little bit thick and a little bit heavy, and it will definitely add some bulk to your iPad Pro, but it's a very solid case fundamentally, and everything that it promises, except for the lightness, I think it does achieve very well. If you want to check this out, of course, links will be in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.